Hello, welcome. In today's video we will look at the most commonly used form of display on views or different types of views in technical drawings. The first type of view is the view in the direction of the reference arrows. If we have a part like the one in the picture, it is advisable to use this type of display using arrows. The arrow will point to the shape we want to display, and then we will draw it. It might look something like this, and I will show you in this video. The next type is a broken view display. This is often used when displaying long objects that wouldn't fit on the drawing at the scale we need, and this way we can display the part using an interrupted view. It might look something like this. We cut the long part in the middle so that it fits on the drawing. Another type is to use enlarged elements. If the scale of the drawing used does not allow for clear display and dimensioning, the area with insufficient display of the elements is framed or circled with a thin line and marked with a capital letter. The elements in the bordered area are displayed at the enlarged scale, as you can see here. The last commonly used type of view we are going to show today is a frequently used view when creating sheet metal parts. This is an expanded view of a bent product that is required for production, for example, a laser sheet metal cutting. Here we can see the bent state, and next it is the unfolded state of the product, also with the bent lines, which we can show with the dashed lines and with dimensions. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my work, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!